Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok account. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok account, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list of, of apps, you will enter to the window of TikTok. Then in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will go to storage here. After that, in this page, we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. Then you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on, and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.